The very hungry caterpillar. The very hungry caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. Can you see it here? And the full moon is here, smiling. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. Ooh. Look, he's crawling towards the sun. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. Oh, look, he's crawling through the apple. He's coming out here. Can you see? Yummy. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears. 1, 2. But he was still hungry. Ooh. Oops. And he's coming out here. Look. 1, 2. Tiny holes he's making through the 2 green pears. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums. 1, 2, 3. But he was still hungry. Still. Look. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4 sweet, yummy, delicious strawberries. But he was still hungry. Ay. Poor caterpillar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and he's crawling out here. On Friday, he ate through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oranges. 5 oranges. But, can you guess? He was still hungry. Oh. On Saturday, what is all this? He ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake. Yummy. 1 ice cream cone. Delicious. 1 pickle. 1 slice of Swiss cheese. 1 slice of salami. 1 lollipop. 1 piece of cherry pie. 1 sausage. 1 cupcake and 1 slice of watermelon. So many things, so much. Look, he's looking a bit miserable. Oh, poor caterpillar. That night, can you guess? He had a stomach ache. Oh, he ate way too many things. All delicious, but not so healthy things. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Lucky for him. Good, well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes he made through, all the way through the nice green leaf. Very healthy of him. And he's crawling here. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. No, he was a big, fat caterpillar. Look, he's all green still, but very fat now, with a little red head. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 whole weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out and... exciting! He was a beautiful butterfly. Look, with all the colors of the world. All the colors of the rainbow. Pink and orange, yellow, green, red, a bit of purple as well, blue, dark green, a bit of brown, a bit of white, and a bit of black even. All of the colors are in this rainbow, in this butterfly. Beautiful. And here he is again as a little small caterpillar out of the egg.